In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your own book cover using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Book Cover and select the book cover option. Canva will open a canvas that is already sized for book cover designs. Next, browse through the available templates. Canva offers many ready-made book cover designs for different genres such as fiction, romance, mystery, or educational books. Choose a template that matches the theme of your book. After selecting a template, start editing the design. Click on the text boxes and replace the sample text with your book title, subtitle, and author name. You can also replace the images with your own pictures. Go to the Upload section, upload your image, and drag it into the design. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to match the style and mood of your book. You can also add icons, shapes, or other graphics from the Elements section to make the cover more creative. Take a moment to review the design and make sure the title is clear and easy to read. When everything looks good, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG or PDF depending on whether you need the cover for digital use or printing.